Hi everyone, today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, swipe downwards from the top part of your display, or should I say from the right part of the status bar, in order for the control center to be launched. Tap and hold at the Wi-Fi shortcut, and in here choose what network you would like to share the Wi-Fi password of. I'll go with the one that my device is currently connected to. And as you can see, once tapping on it, this QR code will appear, which you gotta simply scan with another device that you were to share the Wi-Fi password with, and those mentioned another device will be successfully connected to this very network. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.